Okay, do you know, not bad. All the time, do you know, how to say, if you really push the ball and you really turn a long time in the hill tall, all the time, the way of the throw, the best way, it's over there. If you throw there, it's mean you pull up too early. If you throw this way, it looks like a movement very complete.